Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to install and use Kalitorify tool in Kali Linux step by step. So this is the repository of this tool. I will give the link in the description. Kalitorify is a shell script for Kali Linux, which use iptables settings to create a transparent proxy through the Tor network. The program also allows you to perform various checks like checking the Tor Exit Node, i.e. your public IP when you are under Tor proxy, or if Tor has been configured correctly, checking service and network settings. So let's start how to install this tool in the Kali Linux. So, first of all, you have to update your Kali Linux using this command. Now you have to clone the Kalitorify repo using this command. You can simply copy and paste this command from the description. Now we have to install dependencies, which is Tor and curl. So this is the command to install dependencies. Now using cd command you have to go to the Kalitorify directory. And using this command you have to install the Kalitorify in the Kali Linux. Now after installing Kalitorify you have to restart your Kali. Now log in with your credentials. Now open the terminal and this command. Kalitorify h show this help message and exit. Now, sudo Kalitorify t command starts Transparent Proxy through Tor. Now you can see it is checking the required services one by one. Now our Transparent Proxy is activated and our Kali Linux is under Tor network. Now you can see all the details here like status, continent, country, region, city, etc. Now, sudo Kalitorify s command checks status of program and services. Sudo Kalitorify I command show public IP. Now, sudo Kalitorify r command restart Tor service and change IP. And sudo Kalitorify c command reset iptables and return to kernel navigation and stop the transparent proxy. So that is it. This is the way how to install and use Kalitorify tool in Kali Linux. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you very much, see you in next video.